guys, sobrang aga pa. Today is Tuesday. No, Tuesday, July 19, 6:24 in the morning. Alas 5 ako. Mga 5:30 ako ginising ni Jan. Alis tayo guys. Come on, Papa. Ha? Yeah, here's your jumper. Come on. Here's your jumper. Okay. Alis tayo. Aga-aga ng ating lakad today. Okay, kita-kita na lang tayo sa car. Come on, Baba. Drive. Si Holly ayan tulog. Yung dalawang boys na sa pinaka-dulo. Punta tayo ng Tweed Heads sa New South Wales, guys. Malapit lang naman siya. 45 minutes on? Yeah. Yan, nearly 45 minutes. Ayan yung tunnel. Nakatawid na pala tayo ng New South Wales. This is New South Wales now, right? New South Wales here now. Yeah. Punta tayo dito kasi kukunin natin yung hipon. Kuha tayo ng hipon. Ng prawns, guys, sa friend ni Ben. Malapit na. Dito na ata tayo, guys. Ayan. Mga ano naman, mga prawns ang hinuhuli nila. Kung sa doon malapit sa amin ay lobster. Dito naman prawns. Oh, look at them, Han. Where are they going?
They're all lined up to get prawns. Really?
To get prawns? May mga nakapilang tao. Bibili yata daw ng mga ano, bibili ng prawns. Dito na tayo, guys. So, ito yung boat ng mga ano, yung sa, ang tawag nun? Prawns. Ayan. Ganyan ang boat nila. And ito yung boat dati nila, Brody. Binenta nila. Tapos meron silang bago. 2 years ago nila to binenta. Ayan. Ayan si Holly, si Johnny Boys. Yung boys, tsaka si, ano, si... Oh, Papa?
The dog's cute. Max goes, what's the name of the trainer?
Yan yung line up from there hanggang doon sa dulo. Doon pa sa dulo, guys. Doon pa. Mayroon pa ng mga nakapila. Tayo sila para bumili ng prawns. Ayan si Johnny Boy. Bab, I can't see you. Nakuha na natin yung prawns, guys. Tapos na tayo doon. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-film doon kung saan inaabot yung prawns kasi nakakahiya. And then, ang daming bumibili na, ano ba, yung, parang sa Pinas na pagdaong ng bangka, maraming taong naghihintay, tapos bayad cash, ganun doon, kaya hindi ako nag-film kasi baka bawal. So, ang haba ng pila, ubos, wala na silang madala sa factory. Ubos na doon palang, ubos na. May mga dalang bakit yung mga tao. Kilo-kilo, 5 kilo. Tapos meron silang madiliit na isda. Hindi ako natirahan. Naiya kasi ako mag-ask. So, naubusan tayo. Yung parang siyang Gigi sa atin. Medyo malaking konti, pero parang kamukha niya o kapatid. Tapos meron yung parang red fish na parang katulad din sa atin na may yellow sa gitna. So ngayon, maghahanap kami. Ako pala, sabi ko kay Jan, ask mo yung lalaki, yung friend nila, kung saan pa rin makahanap na o makabili ng king crabs. Kasi gusto ko na mag king crabs. Doon pa lang sa Yamba, gustong gusto ko kasi hindi kami nakakuha doon. So baka dito, swertehin tayo. Punta tayo sa PKJ. Is it? Yeah, PKJ Seafoods. Doon tayo titingin. So ayan guys, dito tayo pupunta na food. Arrived. Thank you. Sa calamari. Mayroon sila dito guys. Oh, naluto ng pagka. Go Max. Start smelling. Oh. I hope they have that one. Look at this. Is that snapper? Oh. Oh, this is good. Hi, I like this. Meron nito sa atin, diba? Gusto ko to. Bili ako nito. Hindi ko lang alam kung ang sarap magluto niya ni Papa. Ayan yung mga prawns. That's not mud crab. Yeah, no, it's too small. Meron sila live mud crabs. $55 a kilo.
All over it. It's not our fault.
Okay. I have to be careful. Yeah. Pasok tayo dito. But oh.
Yeah, it's right at the back.
It's live?
Yeah.
Here. Ooh. Yeah, that one. Yeah, this one.
So what do you want?
Yeah, that one.
Female.
Kuha ako nito. I will share to Papa. Black Trevally.
Yeah.
Black Trevally daw ang tawag niyan.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where we come the other day.
Dito na tayo
Went
sa
into
ano.
That shop right there.
Galing tayo dito before, guys. Sobrang happy ko dahil nakakuha tayo ng king crabs. And mud crabs. And then yung isda na favorite ni Papa, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, ang tawag namin dun ay bataway. It's
somewhere here.
black, what you call that again, Han? Black Trevally. Yun ang tawag dito sa kanila, yung isdang yung nakita ko. So ngayon dito tayo sa, where are we now, Han?
In the car park.
Near the car park. Kung saan si Jan nag-shopping, yung pinakaunang shopping natin dito na Rip Curl, dito tayo.
Yep, Zach Nostar.
Yeah. Kung saan ako kumuha ng french fries. Yung pinabili ako ni Jan ng damit. Dahil doon yung damit ko ay parang pang lola. Ayan yung Rip Curl, oh. That's the Rip Curl there. Breakfast tayo dito. So we're having breakfast. Pero si Holly, ang gusto niya ay etong all day lunch. Yeah, yung gusto niya yung fish and chips and hot chocolate, right? Yeah, hot chocolate. Ako hindi ko pa alam. Si Sak, ano, buttermilk pancakes.
Where's buttermilk?
No, here, Baba. There's no pictures. Hinahanap yung pictures. Walang pictures. Ako hindi ko pa alam. Ha? What are you having? Big breakfast. Where is it? Ito yung kay Jan. Signature.
So, what are we having for tea tonight?
Are you sure?
Chips, Baba?
Kuya! What are you having?
A brekkie burger. Cappuccino.
Okay. All day brekkie? You don't want the signature one?
No.
Oh, that's a steak, Baba.
Please feed that big dog.
Same na lang kami ni Johnny Boy. Kasi parang masarap yung kanya eh. May sausages, bacon, poached egg, and hash brown, and beans. Ingay dito. Nasa ano tayo highway, side of the road, kaya maingay.
I'll have butter pancake. What are they called?
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Okay.
Pancake with any
You can have berries and chocolate cookie crumbs.
they come together, yeah.
I'll have that.
Yep. Next one.
Okay, are you done? Okay.
They just went
to the
Fish and chips, yeah, kids, and then signature brekkie, two of them. The signature one.
You mean the big brekkie? That means big brekkie.
Okay.
That means this one.
Oh, big brekkie. You want the big brekkie?
Sugar.
Okay.
Order yours, I'll say.
I'll have pancakes, Dad.
Okay, I'll get that one. The big
What would you like
brekkie.
the extra food?
Rani, poach, yeah.
Yeah.
And
Max,
then
don't play with the sugar, please.
pancake, buttermilk pancake.
Egg and bacon roll. I love
Bacon, egg, brekkie roll, yeah.
But no, hash brown.
For who?
Me.
No, he's having pancake.
Orange juice?
Okay.
Orange juice for that.
Sak, what are you having?
Pancakes.
Say pancakes,
Tell
hon.
me you want an egg and bacon roll.
No, I want pancakes.
Okay, did you get my pancake?
So,
Yeah.
it's gonna be
Pancake.
pancake with the mixed berry
Mixed
topping?
berries and
Yeah.
toppings.
Okay, sure.
What are you having, CJ?
And you're having
Brekkie roll, please.
brekkie roll? Yeah.
Nah, that's one there.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's mixed
That's
brekkie
all
roll,
right.
yeah.
Okay, yours.
Alright.
Oh, no, we're good, hon, I think.
No, you haven't ordered John.
Is it yours,
Is there a
Ben?
napkin, Dad? Wait, get one.
Yeah, I think so. I got one, right? Ben, you can have this.
No, you have it. You have it.
You
I'll
sure?
get you
Okay.
another one.
I'll have the
Chocolate.
mac. I'll have the mold.
Oh, you can have this.
Never
as
told you to
appetizer.
again,
What
so
we
now.
Ben, you want appetizer first?
I'll have one. I'll have one.
Yeah, one here.
Thank you.
Then,
Want a sip? Want a sip?
why you want to have hot chocolate?
That's fun, you know, you just say.
Good, Baba? But I like the color. Cute ng color
I
niya.
finished it.
You finish yours? Nubusin ni Sak yung kanyang.
I did it.
Hot chocolate.
I didn't.
How do you like your hot chocolate, Baba?
Mine. Sorry, this is little. Mom,
Yeah, can CJ
No,
have
I
it?
finished.
Here, Kuya.
You can.
Thank you.
You can. Oh.
You like it, yeah? I like the
It's
color.
better than this. Oh my god. It tastes like water.
That one? You have to
Yeah,
mix
it does. It does taste like water.
Yeah? Yung mango kasi yung in-order ni Kuya.
It's probably just because it's got water.
Mango drink? What do you call that, Kuya?
Max, what's it called? It's something, I don't know.
Basta something mango kinuha niya. Wala pa yung food. Si Ivy and Max, ubus na yung drinks. Si Sak, ganun din. Ewan ko kung bakit niya kinukutsara. Sak, careful Sak because you might spill it on your jumper. I know. And dito pala tayo sa The Coffee Club. Cafe Bar Restaurant. Ayan. Kaano niya, katabi niya yung Rip Curl kung saan tayo galing nung isang araw. Diyan. And dun kinuha ni Sak yung Takis. Is that Takis, Sak? Takis? Yeah. Oh, gusto niya ulit ng Takis. Big brekkie. Thank you. Ah, this one, that's him. No tomatoes. Oh, everything's no tomatoes. Where's my tomato? Ah, alright. It's alright. Ah, okay. This is not mine then. Careful, careful.
Thank you very much.
Fish and chips for Baba. Look at the fish and chips. Did you get my order? Ito yung ating breakfast. Big breakfast to. Kinuha na ni Jan yung isang sausages.
What do you have?
Huli yung akin kasi nakalimutan lutuin ng chef. Sila tapos na naglalaro na silang game. What do you want, yeah?
Go. Wag.
Boxing ring.
Boxing ring. You don't have a boxing ring? Yeah.
No, they have boxing gloves. Oh yeah, gloves.
Zach, no switching cards.
Wait.
You want more sausage, huh?
Tackle. You don't like it.
No, you can't do that. No, you can only keep one.
Boxing gloves. Baseball.
Did you eat your hash brown, yeah?
No.
Home run.
Is that like you, no? Kami na lang ni Holly ang naiwan dito. Yung kasama namin nagsha-shopping na sa Rip Curl. You're good, Baba? Okay.
And you're a bit for everything?
I'm good, yeah.
Yeah. I'll get that out.
Punta tayo ng toilet. Binigay ito sa akin dun sa coffee shop. Itong mug, may key. Tapos, ayan yung toilet nila. Female. Ata doon. Kaya dito tayo. Nagbigay siyang key. Para lang tong caravan park. Okay. Ay, ang laki. Yan yung toilet nila, guys. Oh. Wait, Sak! Hinanap na tayo ni Jan. Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Huh? The key. I have to return the key. So, dito ulit tayo. Yeah, the tumbler. What? Hi. You want that? 49? Yeah. Ito pala yung ating OOTD. Malamig kasi kaya dinala ko tong cardigan, pero pag wala tong cardigan natin, ganyan siya. Isa to sa mga nabili natin. Rip Curl. Roxy ata to. Ayan. Huh. Come on, girl. Traffic. Guys, punta tayo ng Volco shop naman. Tapos na siya mag-shopping. Oh, wala naman ako nakuha doon. Si Sak, tsaka siya. Did you get anything? Huh? Did you get anything from Rip Curl? No. So, siya lang at saka si Zach. At saka si Holly, Tumblr. Ayan, yung pink. Andoon. Kita niyo? Ayan. Sinipon ako kasi malamig. Malamig yung malamig yung hangin, and ang aga natin kanina doon sa may dagat. Oh, look at this. Akyat tayo dito, guys. Akyat. Maraming mga nagsusurfing doon. It will be better if we stay closer here, huh? We can just walk now.
Okay.
Next time, babe. Closer here.
Yeah.
Look at them. You cannot see it, guys.
Surface way around there.
There.
Moving.
Yeah. No, yeah. When we gonna go back there, hon? Tomorrow, Wednesday. Ayan, bahay siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang cool ng house. Yung white. Ayan. Oh my God. Look at this house. Ang dami magagandang bahay dito. Marami ako yung nakita ni Jan nung nag-drive tayo. Yung tinitipid ko yung SD card. Nasa New South Wales na tayo, guys. Bilis lang, no? Dito na ulit tayo, guys, sa Tweed Heads, Queensland. New South Wales. Yung kaninang nakita yung bahay na maganda. Nag-ano lang kami doon, bumaba lang sa hills, then turn right or left, on? We turn right?
Where?
From the nice house, the unusual house.
Left.
We turn left. And dito na tayo, guys, sa ano, New South Wales. Tweed Head, I mean. Ayan. Kung saan natin kinuha yung prawns dito. Ayan yung mga boat. Ayan. Tweed Heads. Yeah, Tweed Heads. Ayan, Tweed Heads. Hindi pa pala tayo uwi, guys. Dito pa rin tayo sa Tweed Heads. Punta tayo sa isang shop called Volcom. Is it right? Volcom? Yeah. Umuulan na dito. Okay, punta tayo dito sa Volcom. Ang pasok niya. Good, thank you. Go, Zach. Try ko to leggings to size 8 and 6. Tapos itong jumper. Hindi ko alam kung anong size pero gusto ko oversized na jumper. Ayan. Ayan si Jan. Nagsukat na siyang trackies. What size is that, babe? Large. So what do you want? Extra large? So eto, itry ko pa to. Si Kuya kumuha rin siya ng black. Where's Zach? Where's Zach? Oh, ayan si Zach. Oh, you got Zach? Size 10. Kailangan daw ng 10 ni Maxi. That's nice.
No, I haven't tried them.
Ah, you let Max try that one?
Zachary?
Yeah.
I got a jumper.
Did you get some, Zachary?
Okay. Ako dito na ako. Tapos na si Johnny Boy. So, ito yung size 6 na leggings. Meron lang ako ditong biker shorts na suot. Pero kasya tayo dyan sa 6. Meron akong kinuhang size 8. Pero wag ko lang sukatin yung 8 kasi okay naman yung size 6. Ayan. Yung jumper, size 10 to. So, nagpakuha ako kay Zach ng size 12. Kasi gusto ko sa jumper medyo, ano ba, malaki. Yung baggy. So, try ko to. Hindi ata partner tong pants kasi mas lighter ata yung pants. Etong top medyo dark. Diba? Pero yung pants, yung trackies is size 8. Size 8 ang kinuha ko. So, yan. And, meron din tayo ditong pink. Ito size, ano to? Size 10. Siguro 12 din yung kunin ko niyan. Who's that, Daddy? Did you try yours? Is it good? Huh? 30% off, guys. Oh. So, ito yung pink. Trinay ko yung size 14 instead of size 12. Mas gusto ko yung size 14. So, size 14 na jumper, then size 8 na trackies. So, eto, palitan ko to sa size 14 kasi pareho lang naman ang ano nila, material. So, size 14. And, hindi ako makahanap ng same na kulay nito kasi ito medyo milky and ito medyo cream. Pero okay lang. Pero palitan natin siyang size 14. So, kunin natin sila. Ang ganda. Kita ko sa mga bata.
Too pinky, Mom.
Huh?
You look too pinky.
Too pinky? You don't like it?
Too pinky.
Han, Zach doesn't like it. It's alright?
Too pinky though. I like it.
You don't like?
I like it.
What?
I hate it. It's too pink. I like it because I like pink.
Alright. Where's,
Alright, yours is just here.
this one?
Place it with that stuff.
Okay.
That's your stuff.
How about the kids?
There's all this stuff over there.
Where is it? Where's,
Alright, yours is just here.
this one?
Place it with that stuff.
Okay.
That's your stuff.
How about the kids?
There's all this stuff over there.
Where is it? So which one is which, babe? Is this ours? Okay. Sa amin din pala yung kay Sak yan. How about you, Baba? Nothing. How many bags, babe? No, I don't think so. One. Yeah, just put it in the bag, please. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we're done. Diyan, nandun na sa car. Go! Oh, no, not yet. There's a car. Make sure you don't drop Max, okay? Kamusta na kayo yung mud crab ko doon? Oy, Max! Stay still, Max! Umuulan na, Baba. Come on, it's raining. Dito na kami, guys, sa Caravan Park. Tulog. Tingnan mo si Huli. Mainit na tinubad niya. Tulog siya. Yung mga bata, tulog din. Tulog. Anong oras na ba? Turugon. Tulog ang turugon. 12:50. Kamusta na kayo? So, aking mud crab. Okay, mainit na. Ayan yung mud crab at saka yung isda. And nandito yung hilaw na prawns. Nalulutuin ko sa creamy garlic. And eto yung cuttlefish. So, nagbis na tayo kasi medyo malamig yung panahon. Mainit pag may sun, pero pag may hangin, medyo malamig. So, ang gagawin ko ay, ipe-prepare ko na yung prawns, tapos lilinisin ko yung isda. Kasi sino ba ang lilinis nun, kundi ako. Punta ako sa Camp Kitchen, dalhin ko tong freezer bag para sa isda. Kasi hindi ko naman yung lulutuin lahat. Tapos meron tayong cuchillo and platong dalawa. Who's asleep? Punta na ako sa Camp Kitchen and yung aking mud crab, nilagay ko muna sa fridge kasi hindi ko pa yun maluluto kasi madami tayong lulutuin na seafood. Kasi yung boys, ha? Yeah, big job for me. Gonna clean the cuttlefish. See you. Happy hour sila doon dalawa. Si Brody nag-grocery. Hindi ako sumama kasi ako lilinis ng isda, cuttlefish, tapos yung babalatan ko rin yung yung prawns kasi hilaw yung 1 kilong hilaw ata to, 1.5 kilos. Tapos mamaya magluluto ako ng rice. Yeah, creamy garlic prawns ang ulam natin tonight and fried cuttlefish. Okay, dito na tayo sa Camp Kitchen, guys, and ayan, simulan na natin ang paglilinis ng isda. Mayroon silang dito, sabon. Para after natin linisin, sana okay siya. Kasi malangsa yung isda, yung bataway yan sa amin ang tawag. Unahin natin itong cuttlefish. Meron nag-iisang pusit. Na ano yung ink? Na ano na? Ay, sayang ng ink. Sayang ng ink.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price.
So, ayan na yung ating cuttlefish. Ito, sayang yung itim. Pero, walay. Sarap sana itong i-adobo, no? Huwag na lang. Ano na yung itim na ano na ba? Pumutok. So, gasan ko lang itong sink.
If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills.
Ito naman yung prawns. Tanggalan ko siya ng shell. Pero yung ulo, i-freezer ko muna.
Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for.
So next, eto na yung isda. Ayan yung isda, guys. Oh, kilala nyo ba to? Sa amin, bataway ang tawag nito sa Bicol. Ang tawag ni Papa. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. Basta, ayan. Bataway. Masarap tong inunon or sa gata na may pechay o kaya prito. Hindi ko nadala yung aking tawag nun? Chopping board. Pero okay lang naman. Ang lansa nito. Ayan. Ayan. Ang guys. First time ko maglinis ng isda. Magtanggal ng hasang or gills. Dito ba? Dito sa Australia. Pero sa Philippines, si Mama naman, tsaka si Papa, kaya, yeah. Kulang ako ng isang plato. Ito ko na lang ilagay.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot. 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed.
Ayan, nabalatan ko na yung hipon and yung ulo. I-freezer ko to. Nahugasan ko na rin yan. Ito, ikakat ko na lang yung cuttlefish. Tapos ito, ilalagay ko sa freezer bag kasi hindi ko pa naman siya lulutuin. So yeah, malapit akong matapos. Nakabalik na pala ako dito sa caravan. Iniwan ko, may freezer doon, may fridge doon sa camp kitchen. Iniwan ko doon yung isda at saka yung ulo ng hipon. Pero yung hipon, dinala ko dito yung prawns. Tapos nagluto na ako ng kanin. Luto na yan. Nagpahinga lang guys kasi ang aga natin kanina. So, nahiga-higa muna ako after. So ngayon, magluluto na. Yung cuttlefish, piprituhin yun. Oh, lamig na. Yung mga bata, ayan. Nag-scooter lang sila dito. So, eto yung prawns na binalatang ko. I-ano ko lang to. Ipa-fry ko lang siya sa garlic and butter. And yung luto na nabili namin, yun ang gagawin namin creamy garlic prawns. Eto, ipa-fry lang sa butter and garlic din. So, pina-fry ko na yung ating prawns. Ito yung first batch. Ganyan. Good? Pretty good. So, ito yung second batch. Meron pa tayo dito. Yan na yun yung naluto. So, luto na yung ating prawns.
Where's tongs?
Just you're right. There you go.
Ayan, niluluto niya na yung cuttlefish, right?
Yeah.
Ayan, niluluto niya na yung cuttlefish. And ito yung binili natin na luto ng prawns. Binabalatan ko para to sa creamy garlic prawns. And ayan na yung rice.
I'm just gonna eat bare hands.
Oh, you wash your hands? Okay.
Where's Ben?
So, nandito na lahat ng food. Hindi pa. Yung cream pala, wala pa yung creamy garlic. Wala pa. So, ayan yung prawns na niluto natin kanina. And meron pa tayong fried rice and chicken. Yung tira nung isang araw. Ininit ko kasi yung ibang bata ayaw ng prawns. Especially yung anak niyang babae. Ayun yung seafood. So, ayan. Nandun na sila. Oh, si kuya, iniinitan ko siya ng mainit na tubig para sa wonton soup. Ayan sila. Good. Ayan, kumakain na kami guys. And ito yung wonton soup na in-order natin sa Japan. So, lagyan natin. Kasi si Ivy, patry ko kay Ivy. And si Kuya gusto rin ni Kuya T. Try this. Patry natin kay Ivy.
Yeah.
It's very hot.
Do you like my bowl?
I know. Now, you can try it first. Try the soup. It's hot, It's hot. Just blow. Blow.
Adelaide.
Hot.
Please go on it. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, well, she probably won't come
Nah.
down.
It's pork.
She won't come down
It's
probably
pork.
after sort of 4:30.
Yeah, pork wonton soup.
I'll let you know anyway, and you might be able to
Try this one. This is the meat. Here, and then the egg. See that little
We're just eating some
creamy garlic prawns?
calamari and prawns off.
Hot.
Prawns this morning.
What, you like it?
Where's the egg?
Sauce and
Yeah, the little yellow one.
Oh, that's egg?
Yeah, that's the egg.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Good? You want it? I'll let your mom try it.
And she doesn't like it.
Okay, if you don't like it,
Alright.
Ivy will eat it. Okay? Ito kay kuya to. Kumain na siya ng rice. Ito, this is yours. Kuha lang siya ng ano niya, kutsara. Ako kain na rin ako, guys. Ito yung akin. Ito yung cream. Me. Cream garlic prawn. Tapos na kayong kumain, guys. Ayan, maghuhugas na. Meron pang konti. Sobrang busog na kami kasi ang dami nito. Ilang 2 kilos mahigit ata itong prawns. Tapos meron pa tayong cuttlefish. Ayan, ubos. Hindi. Ito lang. Konti na lang. Yung kanin. 4 cups to. Ayan. Okay, hugas na ako.
Guys, we're gonna close the vlog now. Thank you for watching our vlog. So please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you next vlog. Bye. And my hair. Remember there was oil on it? Look now. I just brushed it. I think I'm gonna brush it properly.
Good night, guys. And nakaligo na silang lahat. Thank you. And sinusukat ni Kuya yung bago niyang jumper. So, okay, good night, guys.
It won't all about come out.
Because